Lightning Link. Which one is this? Bengal Treasures. I don't know, we walked by that 777, caught my eye. So we're gonna play that. Let's just do penny, $1.50 for a little bit, see if we catch anything. Let's turn the volume up so share doesn't steal our revenue. You know what I never understood about YouTube? Like, you can have a 30-minute video, right? And you can have this dumb fucking bitch singing in the background for like 20 seconds, and they'll give her the entire revenue for your video, which I never understood. Why the entire revenue goes to her? Why not just like a percentage? You know, if she's in for like a minute of a 30-minute video, you give her like 3% of the revenue. So I never understood that, but that's the way YouTube is. That's why a lot of people, as soon as the music comes on, they have to edit it out. But I'm too stupid to edit it out. I don't know how. I had a YouTube channel for like 3.5, 4 years. I still don't know how to edit. Oh yeah. I don't need your share voice anymore. Damn you. Come on, give us something. That tiger's wild. Come on. Nope. Oh, we need 3 Taj Mahals. Let's do some 250 spins. No. Ah, we need one more Taj Mahal. Come on. Hey! Oh, we hit it that time. There we go. What do you put in here? 350? Oh, we need at least 45 bucks to get even. There we go. 8 games. There we go. How much is that? 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 bucks so far. All right. Let's get that major. 777. Last spin miracle. Hey, 10 bucks. Nice. We're up to 50. What's a minor? Ah. Alright. I think we're up 16 bucks in this game. That was our first spin though. We still have 7 more spins left. So, hey, it's a bonus behind me. Come on. There's that minor we needed last time. Ah, what a tease. 5 balls. Wild. Oh. Balls. Balls. Ah. More blocking. I hate snakes. Really hate them. When I was a kid, I was scared to death of snakes. Last spin. Damn, after that first spin, we got absolutely nothing. We had $55 after that first spin. We got $1.50 in the next 7 spins. All right, let's do dollar spins. No, we couldn't go back to back. Alright, let's change denom. Let's go to nickel. 375. Let's see if we can hit that major. They're re-triggering behind me. Wonder how much he's betting. Yeah, yeah. One more. God damn it. And let's do 625. Couple spins. Get lucky. Ah, yeah. Last spin. Oh, that's dirty. All right. I think we lost like 40 some odd dollars in this game. Cashing out. That was Bengal Treasures. Like an Ultimate Fire Link. Put that $300 ticket in here. Betting 10-cent denom, $2 and $6 back and forth. Hit the bonus at $2. Let's get it. Three more for $5. All right. Saved us there. I think that's it. Yeah, the balls fall different when it's over. Yeah, we got some money back. I think we came in with 304 or 305, something like that. Alright. Get us back to almost 280. 278. Alright, we moved over one machine. Continued playing $6 bets. We hit our bonus finally with 147 left. So we got a ways to go. Let's get it. Hopefully we can hit one of those totals up there. Oh, a lot of empty space up there. Fill it up. Get some writing. Mini, minor. Come on. Oh, see the minor right there. Alright. We need 2 more balls for $45. One of them could be the mini. I don't mind. 130 bucks. Oh, yeah. Again, $6 bet gets us dick. Last spin miracle. Yeah, that's San Manuel. $6 bonus. It's shit. Not even 100 again, huh? That's pathetic. 102. Excuse me, I misspoke. That is ridiculous. That's like the... I don't know, like 4 out of 5 times we hit on a $6 bet, we got either $100 or less. And they give you a coin shell to rub it in. I should get out of here. That was terrible. Let's go this way. You guys want to hear something funny? After that last bonus, the $6 bonus on 10-cent denom at Ultimate Fire Link, I kept playing at $4 and $6 a bet, and the major ball dropped in the second row along with one other ball, and 2 balls went by on the last one. But none of them hit. You know, I would have been pissed if like the last ball would have dropped and, you know, the other one would have just went by. But I think the major was like a 30, 300 or something like that. I don't remember. But I got pretty upset after that, as you can probably imagine. And I switched it up to penny denom, and I max bet $5 a spin. And probably within about maybe 10 spins or something, we hit a bonus, and we hit the mini and the minor on penny, which was like 17 and like $72 on our way to almost a $300 bonus. So I was like, you bet $5, you get 300. You bet $6, you get 90. Something. Something's not right. So, and then we went to Walking Dead 2. And I dumped $100 in there. So I don't know how much I'm up today, but I know I'm up maybe a couple $100 or something like that, which is not bad. I'll take it. The sun has just come up, as you can see. It's about 6 in the morning, right? Yeah, 5:45. And I guess that's it. I hope you guys had fun with me tonight. If you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you want to support the channel, that's one of the best ways. And just hit the thumbs up, hit the bell for all the notifications. Subscribe if you haven't already. What else? And then leave a positive comment. Hot girls, hit the DM. Merch shop, not this sweater, this is a custom sweater, is in the description. And maybe we'll come back tomorrow or maybe Friday. Bonsai wants to do a live stream with me, so maybe we'll come back, maybe not. We'll see, but I'll keep you guys posted. All right, take care.